Greetings techies. In this video, we'll be discussing the most innovative and exciting Commander 1 is a cabbage harvester designed for high-performance harvesting in large fields. It's manufactured by the Dutch company Grimm and is renowned for its efficient and reliable performance. The Commander 1 can harvest up to 60 tons of cabbage per hour and can be adjusted to harvest different types of cabbages such as red, white, and Savoy. The rotary milking parlor is designed to maximize efficiency and reduce labor costs on dairy farms. By milking multiple cows simultaneously as they move through the parlor, this type of equipment can significantly increase the number of cows that can be milked per hour, compared to traditional milking methods. Agricultural drones are increasingly being used on cornfields. I think everyone will soon forget about ordinary shovels because there are so many machines that are much easier and more efficient to use. Ecofroz SA is a company based in Ecuador that specializes in the production and export of frozen vegetables. Now you see their farm, which produces vegetables, which will then be frozen, packaged, and sent to the supermarket. The farm is located in the fertile valley of the Andes Mountains, where the climate and soil are ideal for growing a variety of vegetables. The crops are carefully tended to by experienced farmers who use sustainable and environmentally friendly practices to ensure the highest quality produce. The 3-row AgriPlanter automatic transplanter is a cutting-edge agricultural machine that can significantly increase planting efficiency for farmers. It's capable of planting up to 3 rows of crops at once, with a spacing range of 15 to 150 centimeters between the plants. In addition, AgriPlanter is versatile and can be used to transplant a variety of crops, including vegetables, herbs, flowers, and tobacco. Today, broccoli harvesting can be done completely autonomously. This technology involves the use of robots equipped with cameras and sensors that can detect the maturity and location of the broccoli heads. This technology has several advantages, including increased efficiency and reduced labor costs. It also allows for the broccoli to be harvested at the optimal time for maximum flavor and nutrition. The Chili Harvester Moses 1010 is a specialized machine designed for the efficient and effective harvesting of chili peppers. The machine is equipped with a conveyor belt system that collects the harvested chili peppers and deposits them into a container for easy transportation. The machine features an adjustable blade that can be set to the height of the chili plants for optimal harvesting. This is a lettuce harvester made by Hortec SRL Italy. It's a self-propelled machine that can be operated by a single person, reducing the need for manual labor. The harvester works by using a series of blades to cut the lettuce heads from the base of the plant. The cut lettuce is then conveyed up into the machine, where it's sorted and cleaned before being deposited into a bin for transport. P. Bargelli & C. SRL is an Italian agricultural machinery manufacturer that produces tomato harvesters. Recently, the company conducted a field demonstration of its tomato harvester in Italy. The harvester is designed to be efficient, reliable, and easy to use. It has a self-propelled chassis that can operate in all types of soil conditions. The machine has a high-capacity collection system, which can handle up to 1,500 kilograms of tomatoes per hour. The purpose of this machine is to cut the ends of the rows to move the water that clogs the furrows. Instead of a 5 or 6 person team shoveling, this machine gets it done. In Poland, cabbage seedlings are being transplanted using a transplanter made by Cecchi and Magli, Italy. This machine is specifically designed for transplanting seedlings of various vegetables, including cabbage, into the ground. The transplanter works by picking up seedlings from a tray and then gently placing them into the soil, ensuring that the plants are properly covered. It has a capacity to transplant up to 5,500 seedlings per hour. This is a four-wheeled, self-propelled farmland sprayer. With its four-wheel drive and wide distance, the sprayer can navigate through challenging terrain and deliver the necessary chemicals to crops with accuracy and speed. Its large capacity tank allows for coverage of large areas while minimizing waste and overspray. The Chinese gave us many inventions that make our lives better. And Chinese farmers are very resourceful too. How do you like such smart farming cultivation techniques? The front-mounted in-row disc cultivator, made by Capa Industrie SRL in Italy, is a specialized piece of agricultural equipment designed to cultivate soil in row crops such as corn, soybeans, and sunflowers. The cultivator consists of discs that are adjustable for depth and spacing. It's unique in that it's designed to work between the rows of crops without damaging the plants. The discs rotate, cutting and breaking up soil, creating a smooth surface for the crop roots to grow in. This process helps to increase soil aeration, drainage, and nutrient uptake, which can lead to higher yields. These farmers showed a bit of ingenuity and made difficult work simple. This is the Jagoda 300 blueberry harvester, made by Jagoda JPS Agro Machines in Poland. This self-propelled machine can be operated by a single person, reducing the need for manual labor and improving productivity. One of the key features of the Jagoda 300 is its ability to harvest blueberries from both sides of the plant. The machine is equipped with two sets of picking heads, one on each side, which can be independently adjusted to fit the width of the berry bushes. The 2SP338 transplanter by Puler AGCO Incorporated, Ohio, is capable of planting up to 12,000 seedlings per hour. This machine features a hydraulic-driven planting system, allowing for precise placement of seedlings at their desired depth. It can handle a variety of seedling types, including bare root, plug, and tray seedlings. The transplanter can be easily adjusted to fit different row spacings, making it a versatile tool for various planting applications. We've had a blast exploring the world of smart tech with you. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos.